This phonics lesson is the ah sound. You have to open up your jaw and say ah. And it can be made with the letters A-U, ah, or A-W, ah. Here we go. All, haul, like you might haul some furniture from one house to another. Ah, k, ahs, ah, og, st, August. See, it's a capital. It's a proper noun because it's a month. Alt, fault, all, Paul. This is a capital because it's the name of a person. Let's say the words with them fluently. Hall, cause, August, fault, Paul. Now we're going to do the other ah. A-W. Ah. Pa. Ah. Ak. Hawk. Der. Ah. Draw. Cl. Ah. Claw. L. Ah. Lawn. Let's say them without sounding each sounds out of the sounds out. Paw, hawk, draw, claw, lawn. Most of the time the AU is in the middle of the word and the AW at the end, but of course we always have those rule breakers like hawk and lawn, where there's a K and an N instead of that at the bottom. If I were to take off the N though, we'd have another ah word, ah, la. So there's your lesson on AU and AW, ah.